Making money online isn't just a dream anymore. It's something anyone can do. Yes, including you. Whether you're looking for extra cash or a full-time income, you can earn money without any special skills or degrees. Let's begin. Here are 5 simple ways to make money online that anyone can try. 1. Answer simple questions for money. Websites like Just Answer, Study Pool, and Ouija pay users to answer questions from students or customers. Many questions are general knowledge or common sense topics, making this a great fit for anyone who enjoys researching and giving advice. 2. Proofread AI-generated content. Platforms like Scribr, Upwork, and Fiverr allow you to offer proofreading services, or you can specialize in AI-enhanced editing to improve readability and flow. This is a great opportunity for anyone with basic English skills who enjoys reading and polishing text. 3rd, try out affiliate marketing. You don't need a huge audience to make money with it. Earn commissions by promoting products. When someone buys through your link, you get paid. Use blogs, YouTube, or social media to share recommendations and generate passive income. 4. Share your internet bandwidth. Earn passive income by sharing unused internet through apps like Honeygain. Just install the app, let it run in the background, and generate earnings over time. Desktop users can even earn twice as much, making it a simple way to maximize rewards. 5. Sell merch without inventory. Ever wanted to design your own t-shirts or mugs? Platforms like Printful and Redbubble handle printing and shipping for you, allowing you to sell custom designs without managing inventory. Simply upload your designs, and when someone makes a purchase, you get paid. These methods are real, accessible, and waiting for you to take action. And the best part? You can start today. Choose the ways that fits you best and unlock your earning potential. Your future self will thank you.